Investing can be a great way to build wealth and achieve financial freedom, but for beginners, the world of investments can be complicated and intimidating. If you're just starting out, it's important to understand the basics of investing and develop a strategy that works for you. Here are the top 5 investing strategies for beginners. 1. Start with a goal in mind. Before you begin investing, it's important to have a clear understanding of your financial goals. Do you want to save for retirement? A down payment on a house? Education for your children? Having a clear goal will help you make informed investment decisions. 2. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key to reducing risk in your investment portfolio. By investing in a variety of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, you spread out your risk and increase your chances of earning consistent returns. 3. Invest regularly. Investing regularly, such as through a 401k or IRA, can help you take advantage of compound interest and dollar cost averaging. By investing a fixed amount of money on a regular basis, you can take advantage of market fluctuations and build wealth over time. 4. Consider low-cost index funds. Rather than trying to pick individual stocks, consider investing in low-cost index funds. These funds track a market index, such as the S&P 500, and provide broad exposure to a variety of stocks. 5. Have patience. Investing is a long-term game, and it's important to have patience and not get caught up in short-term market fluctuations. Stay focused on your goals, stick to your investment plan, and don't panic when the market dips. Over time, your investments will likely grow and provide good returns. By following these top 5 investing strategies for beginners, you can start building a solid investment portfolio that can help you achieve your financial goals. Remember to always do your due diligence and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.